Keep the cabin of your four-wheel drive organised with the AOS Dash Organiser. I'm going to tell you all about it.
Hit it.
Hey folks, Ben from Sunnies here today with a handy little product from AOS or Aussie Outback Supplies. It's their Dash Organiser. This is a handy little canvas pouch that sits up on top of your dash. I'll show you shortly how you can affix it. Just to keep things like mobile phones, maybe radios, just accessories that you would otherwise have sort of lying around the cabin, organised up on your dash. Now the really cool thing about these is they're Australian made. Even the canvas itself is a 14-ounce Australian made ripstop canvas. It's far more durable than what you would need in a pouch like this, so it's going to last you a lifetime. It's got nylon binding around the edges here, a couple of little steel D-rings on here, which I'll show you how to use them shortly. And inside you've got 4 pockets. This one here is about 10 centimeters wide. This one around about 9 centimeters. Got a thin one on the end there, probably just for a pocket knife or something, and another one back over this side here. It's about 7 centimeters wide. And one more thing, just on the top edge here in underneath, this is a felt lined section. It's slightly padded, so if you've got items that are perhaps sensitive to getting scratched, you can put it on top there and that's not going to scratch it up. Now on the back, you can see we've got this Velcro all around the edges here. This is the hook side of the Velcro. I don't need this in the instance of I've got it in my car because I've got the dash mat to attach it to, but AOS do supply 4 little patches of the loop side of the Velcro, sticky patches, so you can stick that on your dash and then stick these to those patches on your dash. Now attachment's really easy. Obviously being Velcro, it just pushes on to the mat here as I've got it, or I would put those patches on there. Now we do want to be wary. If we go back to the passenger side here, I've got this little flap in my dash mat here because I've got an airbag underneath. Obviously you wouldn't want to be putting it on top of that patch there, but in the middle here, I'm not obstructing anything. Might just want to be careful of the vents at the back, but I could just lay this on top of here, line it up. I'm going to put it around about in the middle with the front edge there, push it down, and that sticks into place. So probably I would actually, my dash mat's not actually stuck down very well, so it doesn't move a bit, so it might be beneficial to stick my dash mat down there. But now I've got this little pouch up here, it's sitting there nice and low profile when it's not in use, but I can now fill that up. Mobile phone fits in that pocket there. I can fit a radio if I want in that pocket there. Little pocket knife here, might slide in that end pocket there, and whatever else you want. There's some tire deflators there, you can put in there, and I've still got that pouch at the top, maybe for a small tab or a book or something if I like. Now furthermore, these loops here now act as little hooks, so if I've got a little carabiner, I could hook your keys on there to hang them so that they're not going to go missing, fall down below the seat or anything like that, and you've got 2 of those hanging there. Now, in terms of the size of the bag, for the size dash you want to fit it on, you need 36.5 centimeters in length from here to here. It's 20 centimeters deep, so this sits quite nicely here and doesn't obstruct. I've got a bit of driftwood sitting there, but doesn't obstruct my vent at the back there. And in terms of height, it depends on how much you've got in there. I mean, it quite comfortably fits these flat items there with a bit of space on top. If I pull this up too far, it starts to pull the mat up on the side there, but I could certainly fit a low profile book lying on top there as well. So it's probably about 8 centimeters in height at the front, but that tapers down to the back. And it only weighs about 190 grams, so you're not adding a whole lot of weight to your vehicle at all when you put this in there. These are a really simple and handy way to get organized in your cabin, which when you're four-wheel drive touring, spending a lot of time driving, it's nice to have things not floating around or getting lost beneath the seat while you're sitting down and enjoying the scenery. You can grab these online at sunnies.com.au at our lowest prices every day. If you've got any questions, let us know down in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel, we'll send you all of our latest and greatest information, or check out some other AOS products like this one down here.